Disabling two-factor authentication on CapCut can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Open CapCut app. Launch the CapCut app on your device and ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Once in the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Toggle the switch or select the option to disable it. Step 5. Confirm changes. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to disable two-factor authentication. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on CapCut. Always remember to keep your account secure with a strong password.